Hello future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we are going to complete our last mission from basic shapes, that is, to draw an octagon. So let's get started. We know that an octagon is a regular polygon, and the sum of all its exterior angles equals 360 degrees. To find each exterior angle of the octagon, we divide 360 by 8, which gives us 45 degrees. So now we know how many degrees we need to turn the robot to draw the octagon. Let's get started and add the blocks. Place the pen block and pen color, which will help us choose a color. Let's go ahead and choose blue this time. Now, forward block to move robot. For steps forward, then, we'll use the right block to turn the robot. We will use a repeat block instead of writing the same lines. Now, let's click the green play button and see if it works. You'll see the blocks getting executed. They'll be highlighted with a lighter color. And yes, we have our octagon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe to CodeRobo.